everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope your weekend is off to a good start. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community and any hacker nerds out there. I know some of you are watching. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for your project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. All right, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. The Cardano Foundation, the nonprofit arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Have you entered the Rackton challenge yet? This is a story-driven puzzle series where you build coding challenges across wallets, smart contracts, governance, and more. And yes, prizes await." The deadline is the 18th of July. Find all the details here at Cardano Foundation/Cardano Learn and Hack. This challenge is a great way to build community and gain some skills along the way. This is what it looks like on GitHub. Learn and hack your way through fun challenges in the Cardano ecosystem. So what exactly is Cardano Learn and Hack? This project is all about making Cardano easier to dive into. We want to create a bunch of fun challenges and puzzles to help developers exploring the Cardano ecosystem in a gamified way. So how do you get started? Pick a folder that catches your eye and check out its readme.md file. You'll find a short story or puzzle to solve inside. We're working on something cool for the near future, letting you create an on-chain proof of your solution to showcase your Cardano skills. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something for everybody. Each challenge has a difficulty level: beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, or master. And then there's several categories that you can choose from. Those include wallets, smart contracts, cryptography, infrastructure, governance, NFTs, DeFi, and more. After you choose those categories, you'll see a banner and a description. The description will have some more context and some more clues of how to solve the challenge. So if you're a hacker and want to show off your Cardano skills, this might be something for you. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think you'll get involved with this challenge? And what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends, show this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!